Hey guys, it's around 11 a.m. on Monday, January 6th, and I'm gonna run out here and give these chickens a few snacks. This snack in particular is sweet potato with some oats, some raw oats. So I just finished cleaning out the car. It's gonna be covered in snow again in the next hour, but as you can see, it's starting to come down a lot harder. So I'm gonna head back there and give these girls a treat real quick. Let's go. So it looks like we got around 6 inches right now. Yeah. So, okay, so these beds are roughly 19 inches, and that's over half the height right there, that snow coverage. So figure it out, it's about 8 inches. I'm just loving the winter interest. See how that hedge is very pronounced, sticks out. Beautiful arborvitae. That thing's got to be about 20 feet tall. That one's a little shorter because of its proximity to the vegetable garden. The vegetable garden receives a lot of fertilization throughout the year. So most of the plants close to the vegetable garden are a lot bigger than the plants that are farther away. See this right here? That's a Green Mountain boxwood. And sometimes when it snows heavily, you got to come out and knock some of the snow off so it doesn't break the branches. Of course, everything looks beautiful, covered with snow, right? Everything looks beautiful, covered with snow. Here, those Nellie Stephen hollies. Just gorgeous, covered in snow. Especially when they have the berries. All right, it's really starting to come down. You see some tracks right here. Something that came out of a hole. I don't know. And then it made its way that way. Yeah, this is pretty deep. I wouldn't let the chickens out. And in fact, they're all in the coop. They're all hunkered down in the coop. There's their water bowl. Yeah. That's me opening up the door. I don't know if you guys can see that because the camera lens is a little wet. Hey, babies.
You guys want some snacks?
All right, so I'm gonna open this. Yeah. So I'm gonna open this back door just to let them come out. Hey, girls. Hey. This is. All right, so I opened the rear door of the coop just to let them come out. Hey, Coco. You guys staying warm in there? And I let all the heat out? Shame on me, right? All right. Oh, they are shitting like mad. Okay. You guys can come out. You got an access point to hop out and come and get some food. Yeah. There you go. I gotta coax them out. Come on. Come on. Some right there, some right there. when I feed them treats, I make sure I spread it around, because if I leave it all in one area, the dominant hens will do just that. They will dominate and not share with the others. So, come on. Just put that right there. Come on, babies. And that water bowl, I gotta bring that closer to the coop. Knock off some of that snow on their ramp. There you go. There you go. Just kick some of that snow away. Rest that water right there, so that way they can hop out of the coop, right? Come around the corner of this trash can, get their treats, and get fresh water. But they're probably nervous because I'm here. Hey, girls. You guys are nervous? Hey. Okay. I'll leave them alone. They're pretty much hunkered down, understandably so. So I'm gonna leave them to it. They got plenty of food, plenty of water. They got a few treats, and I'll come back and check on them in a bit. All right, guys, it's really starting to come down. So I just came out here and took care of the girls, gave them a few treats, made sure their water was accessible to them, and then I'll come back out a little later and secure that back door and probably top off their water. All right, guys, thanks for hanging with me on this really brief episode, and I'll see you guys on the next one.